Hi, my name is David. I tutor math, chemistry, and physics. I used to joke and say my job is to make sure I don't have a job. My job is to make sure students don't need me, right? I want to be so proactive that they're so ready for whatever's about to come, they won't have to come talk to me. Rarely does that happen, but that's the attitude that I like to take in it. Get the students prepared for what's to come. When students feel prepared and they've taken time with me or a teacher or a tutor to discuss and go over the material, and they feel that bit of confidence, they go into that test or exam with that confidence. And that alone can increase your grades by 10%, just having that mindset going into it. I absolutely think there is a proper fit that you need with the student and the teacher, and it's a complicated, nuanced experience. I think you need a bit of the right time and place and mindset of the student, and also the right behavior and personality of the teacher. When there's that connection, when there's that spark, when you guys can joke with each other and still get through the material, that's where the magic happens. That's where the student feels like they're being listened to, the teacher feels like they're being listened to, and progress happens. I see many students with a lot of trouble getting through the anxiety of the pressure to do well. And to their detriment, a lot of times I worry about these students. And a lot of the times it's a little contradictory because these students usually are the higher performing student, the ones that have the most anxiety about this and the pressure from maybe family. And that's really tough. That's a really tough one to maneuver, mainly because the advice I would give to students might not be the advice mom and dad want to hear, which would be like failing is just one step towards success, right? Before you get your success, you're going to have 10 failures that come beforehand. And you need to be okay with those failures. Those failures are learning opportunities that we need to have to get to that success point. And if we're too worried about the anxiety and the worry of these failures, we're not going to be able to see them for what they are, which is the learning experiences that we need to get to that point that we want to be at.